Apply shaving foam to a broom. It turns out shaving foam has another brilliant use. Take a regular broom, which you probably already have at home, and apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. This prepared broom will be a lifesaver for elderly people or those with back problems. Simply turn the broom over and spread the foam on the tiles and shower cabin. The foam works like soapy lather with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it highly effective. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, attach a microfiber cloth to the broom using a rubber band. This way, you can easily dry the cleaned areas without leaving streaks. You'll instantly notice that the tiles and toilet shine, and a pleasant fragrance fills the bathroom, lasting for several days after cleaning. The foam also cleans grout without the need for scrubbing. Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing. I've never been so satisfied with my broom before. If you have a fine hairnet, place it over your broom. This fine mesh will make cleaning much easier. The broom will pick up even the tiniest dirt, and everything will stick to it like never before. This will turn your broom into the best broom in the world. All you need is a regular knee-high stocking or pantyhose sock. Slip it over the broom and start cleaning every corner of your home. A regular broom alone will never sweep as thoroughly as one with a pantyhose sock. Another trick is to stick clear tape to the bristles of the broom. This odd method really works. It's important to use wide tape. With this prepared broom, start sweeping. Hair, dust, and large debris will stick to the tape instead of getting tangled in the bristles. After cleaning, simply peel off the tape and throw it away. The tape collects dirt that a regular broom wouldn't be able to clean up. This method makes sweeping much more effective. Use laundry clips in the bathroom, and you'll be amazed at their effectiveness. Bathroom clips have a unique purpose. Few know the secret, but once you discover it, you'll surely be impressed. And so will your guests. Every bathroom with a toilet is one of those places in the house where there's usually more dirt and bacteria, and sometimes even mold. With frequent toilet use, many people use popular detergents for cleaning and disinfecting. After using them, the bathroom smells pleasant, but they work briefly, and are expensive. After flushing the toilet a few times, there's no trace of them. Today, I'll show you a way to make your bathroom always smell like a luxury home, and it's all thanks to laundry clips. Though it may sound strange, such clips are suitable for this task. It's worth starting with the fact that these are wooden clips. If you already have clips, you'll also need essential oil, preferably with your favorite scent. Eucalyptus works well in the bathroom. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. We'll use it on the clips. Even one drop on a clip is enough for you to feel its extraordinary scent. Refreshing and pleasant. When you moisten the clips with it, place one or several in different spots in the bathroom. It could be a container for paper towels or a small trash bin placed near the toilet. You can attach a clip to the shower glass. Wherever you do this, the scent of the oil will be long-lasting in the bathroom. Your bathroom will always be fragrant. Mold in the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer.